Good morning, students. Today I'm going to start a new chapter of workbook, The Open Window. This is a story about Mr. This is a story about Mrs. Pickleville. We have read the same story with a different topic, but this story has a different story, but the topic is the same. Now, Mrs. Pickle, 1 minute. Mrs. Speckletide, an Englishwoman. She was an Englishwoman. So we are going to narrate her story to you and see what she's saying. Mrs. Speckletide, an Englishwoman, had a strange urge to shoot a tiger. This was because of her immense envy, jealousy, immense envy of her neighbor, Luna Bimberton, who had been recently conveyed in a plane in an Algerian pilot. Mrs. Speckletide somehow wanted to outshine her and get her own name and wanted to prove that she was no less than that lady. So Mickletide was a bit jealous of her neighbor and she wanted herself to be more important than that lady because she was given a Algerian pilot's place. So now she also wanted to become the same and gain some name and fame. Outshine her and wanted to prove that she was no less. So, to fulfill this desire, she wanted to procure tiger skin and flaunt it at her home. To kill a tiger and plant his his body in her house to show people that she has been hunting tigers. By By some means, she believed that if she succeeded in killing a tiger, her photo would appear in the press. She also thought that she would have a gathering in Curzon Street. Curzon Street, I think it was a very important street there. So she wanted her name and fame to gain and shoot a tiger and hang its body in her house and give the क्या बोलते clause to someone for gift. It is used as brooch or sari pin and all. She also thought that she would have a gathering at Curzon Street, ostensibly in London, Bimberton's honor, where she would grab the limelight and everyone would discuss her accomplishment. She thought that everyone would be talking about her, how she killed a tiger. Instead, in addition to this, she would she wanted to gift Luna a tiger hook. I call you a clip. Tiger claws are used for making sari pins or hooks and clutch bags also. So that is what she wanted, to give Luna a tiger hook clasp on her next birthday. So all of Mrs. Peckletide's intention and emotions were primarily governed by her detestation and envy of Luna Bimberton. She was so envious of Luna Bimberton that she wanted to do anything by hook or by crook. Things went as planned. An old and fevered tiger was visiting a neighboring village. 1 minute, children. An old Things went as she planned. She found out that an old tiger was always visiting the neighborhood. So she thought of killing him. Mrs. Peckleville agreed to pay 1,000 rupees to anyone who would be able to help her shoot this tiger. The villagers got excited and titched, as 1,000 rupees was too much for those poor people. Was a good amount of money. They tried their best to bind the tiger to their village. Many youngsters were also asked to help and stay back on the edge of the nearby wilderness, nearby jungles, day and night, and to watch. And they drive the tigers. You have seen in pictures, I don't know, they just beat the drums and drive the tigers to their prey. They tie a prey somewhere, a goat or something, and then they drive the tiger near the prey and then they attack him. Many youngsters were also asked to stay back on the edge of the nearby wilderness day and night to drive the tiger back to the village. Some goats were strategically placed here and there to attack the tiger. Moms were also asked to avoid singing lullabies. The moms were told not to sing lullabies to their children. Lullabies are songs which the mothers sing to their child to make them sleep. That means there should be pin drop silence in the village so that they could bring the tiger and Mrs. Peckletide would be able to kill her, their children, so as not to disturb the tiger's sleep. The only tension the villagers had now was that the tiger might just die due to old age before Mrs. Pickeltide actually got to kill him. On the fateful night, Mrs. Peckeltide came along with a paid partner. She bought someone, she was scared, so she bought one Miss Mebin with her. The villagers created a platform upon a strategically located tree. Both the ladies sat on the stage, and a goat with a loud bleat was tied at an appropriate distance as a bait for the tiger. The tiger would see the goat and would come running. Shortly after, the tiger showed up and gradually started walking towards the goat. Mrs. Peckertide fired a shot through her rifle and the tiger dutifully collapsed. The tiger fell down. The villagers celebrated by beating drum and singing. Even Miss Peckertide was very happy. But Miss Mebin, she was a very cunning lady, however, was very clever and calculating. She pointed out to Mrs. Peckertide that the bullet had in fact hit the goat and the tiger had died due to a heart attack caused by the sound of the bullet. She turned the whole story. Mrs. Mebin turned the whole story upside down. Mrs. Peckertide was alarmed. She was so in reach of her target, and then Mrs. Mabel was spoiling it all. However, the villagers, what with having got the 1,000 rupees from Mrs. Peckertide, were happy to keep her secret. Mrs. Peckertide's picture then appeared in two weeklies. Luna refused to go to the lunch party, but still reluctantly, but she was not happy, but she had no other way out, so she expected the tiger's claw brooch. Mrs. Peckertide sent for her, but Miss Mebin decided to exploit Mrs. Peckertide with her latter's lie. In order to buy her silence, Mrs. Peckertide had no choice but to pay for a cottage to Mrs. Mebin. She bargained her that if you don't give me, I'll tell others, and had set her heart upon a cottage, so she forced Mrs. Peckertide to pay for it. Mrs. Mebin eventually named the cabin the Wild Beasts. Since then, Mrs. Peckertide has never fancied the idea of big game shooting She has confided in her friends that the unplanned costs were too heavy for such kind of haunting. The story is written by a brigade and adapted. No authenticate writer has written it, a brigade, and then adapted. It was adapted, taken from somewhere. So I hope all of you have understood the story. If you have any problem, just ask me and find the meaning of all the hard words. Good.